Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Fog Finance token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Fox Finance is a cross-chain decentralized finance protocol that enables users to supply, borrow and manage digital assets across multiple blockchains from a single platform by using interoperability technology link chain wormhole messaging the protocol, eliminating the need for wrapping, bridging, or splitting liquidity, allowing users to access unified pools and collateralize assets natively across ecosystem. Its design focus on efficiency, security, and accessibility for both retail users and institutions. Fog Finance project institution rating is 3.8 and this project audited by Ceretic. Fog Finance token total supply is 50 million and circulating supply is around 12.19 million Fox token. Fox token is listed on Binance Alpha, KuCoin, Kraken and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.